See, in the first question, there are two triangles. ABD and BDC are the two triangles. In that, we have these two sides equal. Okay. And then this side is common. Is it? So, two sides are equal and the included angle we need to compare. Included angle is given. Is that becomes Hinge theorem or the converse of the Hinge theorem? No, it is Hinge theorem itself. Because we are comparing the angle. If you are comparing the sides means the final answer is about sides means it is Hinge theorem. Final answer is about angles means converse. Okay. So here, as per the Hinge theorem states that we have two sides equal and these two angles we need to compare because these two we couldn't compare because x is an unknown. Got it? So here 30 degree, 40 degree. Then which is greater, which is lesser? Can you say? By Hinge theorem, 40 is greater. The side opposite to 40 is what? 2x plus 12. That is greater than the side opposite to 30 degree is what? 4x minus 8. Now transpose all the x and not having x, constant terms also. Yes, then 2x, yes, 2x minus 4x, which is greater than minus 8 minus 12. Got it? And then here when you subtract this, minus 2x, which is greater than minus 20. Got it? And then when you change the negative throughout the equation, that inequality will change, which is less than 20. So x will be less than 20 by 2, that is x is less than 10. That's what the restriction they are talking about. Got it? This greater than how become less than, that is your question, is it? Okay. And then that is it. The restriction we have is x less than 20. So x less than 10. And for the other question, can we compare like that? Do we have two equal sides here? This side is 12, this side is 12. Okay. And then this side is 18, this side is 18. And we couldn't compare the x because it is unknown. These angles we can compare, which is greater, 26 is greater or 126 is greater? Yes, the side opposite to 126 is how much? 3x minus 2. That is greater than x. Okay. And then transpose 3x minus x, that is greater than 2. And then 2x greater than 2 and x is greater than 1. Got it? Similar manner, that is another question. Can you give it a try? Yes. (41) and then here 41. 45. See, here we need to compare the angles. So the converse or the Hinge theorem itself. No, it's converse. Our answer will be in angles. That is why converse. Okay. Try doing the question and tell your answers. See, two sides equal. Yes, they are. This side is common. And then we have these angles. We couldn't compare these angles. If you are comparing the angles means Hinge theorem. We are not comparing. Rather, what we are comparing? The sides. 45 and 36. Which is greater? (45) is greater, of course. So the angle opposite to 45 is greater than the angle opposite to 36. Simplify and find a condition like this. Come on, do it fast and say the answer.